Technology is everywhere. It's how we work, learn, connect, and play. But what if technology isn't designed for everyone? What if it excludes people with disabilities, older adults, or those with limited technical skills? Accessibility, usability, and acceptability are not just buzzwords. They are essential principles for creating technology that works for everyone. When we design with these principles in mind, we unlock the power of technology for all. Imagine a world where websites are easily navigable by people with visual impairments, where mobile apps are usable by individuals with limited dexterity, and where technology empowers rather than alienates. This is the promise of inclusive design. By embracing accessibility, usability, and acceptability, we create a more just and equitable society where everyone has the opportunity to participate fully in our increasingly digital world. Accessibility means designing and developing technology that people with disabilities can use. This includes individuals with visual, auditory, motor, cognitive, and speech impairments. Think about a website. For someone with a visual impairment, a screen reader might be their primary way to navigate the site. The website needs to be coded correctly so the screen reader can interpret and communicate the content effectively. For people with motor impairments, using a traditional mouse or keyboard might be difficult or impossible. Assistive technologies, such as voice control or alternative input devices, can bridge this gap, but the website or application needs to be designed to support these technologies. Accessibility is not about making special accommodations. It's about ensuring that everyone has equal access to information and functionality. Many companies and organizations are leading the way in accessible design, setting new standards for inclusivity and innovation. For example, Microsoft has incorporated a variety of accessibility features into its products, such as Windows and Office, making them usable by people with a wide range of disabilities. These features include screen readers, magnifiers, and speech recognition tools. Apple has also made significant strides in accessibility with features like VoiceOver, Zoom, and Switch Control built into its iOS and macOS operating systems. These tools help users with visual, motor, and cognitive disabilities navigate their devices more easily. These features make Apple products accessible to people with visual, motor, and cognitive disabilities, ensuring that everyone can benefit from their technology. The website of the National Federation of the Blind, NFB, is another great example of accessibility in action, showcasing how web design can be inclusive. The NFB site is designed to be fully accessible to blind users, with features like keyboard navigation, screen reader compatibility, and alternative text for images. This ensures that blind users can access all the information and services they need. These examples demonstrate that accessibility is achievable and that it can lead to innovative and inclusive products and services. By prioritizing accessibility, companies not only comply with regulations, but also open up their products to a wider audience, fostering a more inclusive society. In many countries, accessibility is not just good practice, it's the law. The United States has the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, which prohibits discrimination based on disability. The ADA has implications for website and software accessibility, requiring organizations to make their digital content accessible to people with disabilities. The European Union has similar legislation, the Web Accessibility Directive, which mandates that public sector websites and mobile apps meet specific accessibility standards. These laws and guidelines provide a framework for ensuring that technology is designed and developed with accessibility in mind. They also provide legal recourse for individuals who encounter inaccessible technology. Section 5. Usability. Designing for smooth and intuitive experiences. Usability is all about making technology easy to use and understand. It's about ensuring that users can interact with your product without confusion or frustration. A usable website or app is one that people can navigate effortlessly, find the information they need quickly, and complete tasks efficiently. This means designing interfaces that are intuitive and straightforward. Think about a website with a clear and logical menu structure. Each section is well defined and users can easily understand where to go to find what they need. Users can easily find the information they're looking for without having to click through multiple pages or guess where things are located. This reduces frustration and enhances the overall user experience. This intuitive navigation is a key aspect of usability. It ensures that users can move through your site or app seamlessly. Or imagine a mobile app with simple and consistent controls. Every button and feature is where you expect it to be, making the app easy to use. Users can easily learn how to use the app and perform actions without having to constantly refer to a manual or watch tutorial videos. This quick learning curve is crucial for user satisfaction. Usability is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a seamless and enjoyable user experience. When users find your product easy and pleasant to use, they're more likely to return and recommend it to others. Section 6. User-friendly design, principles for enhanced usability. There are several principles that designers can follow to create usable products and services. These principles are essential in ensuring that users have a seamless and enjoyable experience. One important principle is consistency. Consistency helps in creating a predictable environment for users. Using consistent layouts, menus, and terminology throughout a website or app makes it easier for users to learn and remember how to use it. This uniformity reduces the cognitive load on users, allowing them to navigate the interface effortlessly. Another important principle is feedback. Feedback is crucial in guiding users through their interactions. Providing clear and timely feedback to users lets them know that their actions have been registered and understood. This can be in the form of visual cues, sounds, or even haptic feedback. For example, when a user clicks a button in Microsoft PowerPoint, the button might change color or a message might appear confirming that the click was successful. This immediate response reassures users that they are on the right track. Error prevention is also crucial. Preventing errors before they occur can save users a lot of frustration. Designing interfaces that minimize the potential for user errors can significantly improve usability. This involves anticipating possible mistakes and providing safeguards. This can involve using clear and concise language, providing helpful prompts and instructions, and confirming actions before they are performed. By doing so, designers can create a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. Section 7. Acceptability, meeting users' needs and expectations. Acceptability refers to how well a technology fits into users' lives and meets their needs and expectations. A product or service might be accessible and usable but still fail to gain acceptance if it doesn't align with users' values, preferences, or social norms. For example, a mobile app that tracks users' every move might be technically sound but raise privacy concerns that make it unacceptable to many potential users. Similarly, a social media platform that promotes hateful or offensive content might be usable but fail to gain widespread acceptance due to its negative social impact. Acceptability is about more than just functionality. It's about creating technology that is both useful and responsible. Section 8. The human factor understanding user acceptance. The Technology Acceptance Model, or TAM, is a widely used model for understanding user acceptance of technology. TAM suggests that two primary factors influence whether or not people will use a technology: perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. Perceived usefulness refers to the extent to which individuals believe that using a particular technology will enhance their productivity or performance. Perceived ease of use refers to the extent to which individuals believe that using a particular technology will be free from effort. Designers can use TAM to guide their design decisions and create products and services that are more likely to be accepted by users. Section 9. Challenges and solutions. Designing for a diverse world. Designing for accessibility, usability, and acceptability can be challenging, particularly when considering the vast diversity of human abilities, needs, and preferences. However, by embracing inclusive design principles, we can create technology that is more equitable and accessible to all. One challenge is designing for users with disabilities. There is a wide range of disabilities, each with its own unique challenges. Designers need to be aware of these challenges and design solutions that are flexible and adaptable. Another challenge is designing for users with different cultural backgrounds. What is considered acceptable or appropriate in one culture might not be in another. Designers need to be sensitive to these cultural differences and design solutions that are culturally appropriate. Section 10. Building a better future. The importance of inclusive design. In an increasingly digital world, it is more important than ever to design technology that is accessible, usable, and acceptable to all. By embracing inclusive design principles, we can create a more equitable and just society where everyone has the opportunity to participate fully in the digital realm. Accessibility, usability, and acceptability are not just nice-to-haves, they are essential considerations for anyone involved in designing and developing technology. By prioritizing these principles, we can create a better future for everyone.